Welcome back. Today we are dissecting a shift in AI that technical managers and CTOs have been waiting for. The true strength of AI today isn't just chatting, it's maintaining deep-level logic during multi-turn engineering workflows. We need systems that preserve architectural choices from day one, adapting to changes without losing the plot. It's about connecting the dots from front end to back end, generating everything from presentation slides to functional web UIs. These aren't dreams anymore. Enter GLM-4.7 by Z.ai. It's a small, completely controllable model designed from the ground up to perform self-contained tasks with unmatched reliability. So what exactly is GLM-4.7? It is an active agency mixture of experts model. Unlike traditional LLMs that just answer questions, this system is execution-oriented. It comprehends requirements, breaks down solutions, and integrates technologies. Let's talk industry-first features. First, preserved thinking. This is a massive leap. It preserves logic trees across multi-turn conversations. It remembers the reasoning from your previous meeting so you don't have to re-explain the context in a long-horizon project. Next is vibe coding. This transcends functional coding to achieve aesthetic stability. GLM 4.7 churns out professional-grade graphics, hitting a 91% compatibility rate for 16:9 PPT layouts. The output is so flawless, the web pages and slides are ready to use instantly. Then we have interleaved thinking. Unlike impulsive models, GLM 4.7 thinks before every response and tool call. It ensures high compliance and reduces errors when orchestrating multiple external tools. You also get turn-level thinking control. You can dial down the thinking for fast, short queries or crank it up for complex problem-solving within the same turn. How does this apply to your workflow? For single-objective software delivery, it translates a targeted description into a full result, harmonizing interfaces and integrating back-end aspects automatically. For long-horizon projects, it retains architectural constraints defined in Phase 1 as active context for Phase 10, perfect for iterative development cycles. It shines in high-reliability tool and API orchestration. Even with uncertain or incomplete tool results, it navigates multi-step workflows to a correct state with minimal human involvement. And for the agentic workflows, it has native support for frameworks like Claude Code, Klein, or Rue Code. It handles high-frequency iterations, auto-refactoring, and testing. Under the hood, it keeps the GLM-4 architecture but evolves it. It's a mixture of experts with 355 billion parameters but only 32 billion active per token. It uses architectural stabilizers like QK-norm and the muon optimizer for massive scale. Trained on 15 trillion tokens, it uses a multi-token prediction layer to support speculative decoding. This preserves reason integrity during inference, ensuring the logic doesn't break down. The future is about adaptive logic life cycles. Imagine systems that identify which architectural decisions to keep long-term and which to retire automatically. We're moving towards self-scaling projects. Imagine cross-session continuity, a collaborative environment where multiple engineers benefit from a common reasoning state, moving beyond the single worker model. We foresee automated artifact validation, checking integrations against pre-stated criteria before finalization, a vision of multi-agent collaboration for design, implementation, and verification. Let's talk numbers. GLM 4.7 challenges the best. On the Humanities Last Exam, HLE, it scored 42.8%, outperforming GPT-5.1 High and DeepSeek-V3.2. That's a 41% improvement over its predecessor. In programming, it hit 73.8% on SWE-bench verified and topped the charts on Live Code Bench V6. It's not just a code generator, it is elite coding intelligence. Digging deeper into the benchmarks, GLM 4.7 isn't just winning in English. On the SWE-bench multilingual dataset, it registered a gigantic 12.9% gain, hitting 66.7% accuracy. Furthermore, in utilizing interactive tools on the SWE-bench, it scored 87.4, actually beating Claude Sonnet 4.5 and GPT-5.1 High. It is effectively the new king of interactive tool use. Best of all, it's accessible. Weights are on Hugging Face and Z.ai API. It runs on VLLM and SGLang. For managed services, the Z.ai API is 1/7 the cost of Claude. For the machine learning engineers deploying locally, precision matters. The model weights are available immediately in both BF16 and FP8 precisions on Hugging Face. And if you're integrating into existing pipelines, the Z.ai API provides an interface fully compatible with OpenAI standards, specifically accessible through the new GLM coding plan. While efficient, the MOE strategy requires careful planning for context costs. But make no mistake, GLM-4.7 is a paradigm shift from responding to executing, from chatting to delivering. The trade-off for preserved reasoning is high context load. The paper notes that future versions will likely focus on compression techniques and stricter boundaries for the reasoning agent, essentially teaching the model how to zip its own logic to save costs during long sessions. If you're ready to integrate an AI that actually thinks like an engineer, check the links in the description for the Hugging Face repo and Z.ai API docs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of Agentic AI. I'll see you in the next build.